To liquid stake your DYDX with pStake, start by going to app.pstake.finance/cosmos. Connect the Cosmos wallet of your choice, where you have your DYDX tokens, and agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. Now under the Choose Asset tab, search for DYDX and select it. Fill in the amount of DYDX you wish to liquid stake and proceed by clicking the Liquid Stake button. You will need to approve two separate transactions. The first one transfers DYDX from the Cosmos Hub to the Persistence Core 1 chain via IBC. The second transaction liquid stakes the transferred DYDX on pStake. Note that for the first 2 months, a 0% fee is applicable, allowing users to earn a better yield by staking through pStake. Additionally to that, your DYDX will be auto-delegated to around 35 delegators, resulting in more decentralization for the DYDX chain. If you click on the button next to Validator Distribution, you can check the current list of validators on the Validator Distribution page. Once both transactions are completed, you can go over to the dashboard where you can find your new stkDYDX balance. Your DYDX staking rewards, as well as the USDC from trading and transaction fees, will now be automatically compounded through pStake, generating additional yields. To unstake your stkDYDX, go back to the Staking tab and select Unstake. You'll see there are two options for you to choose from. Flash Unstake will allow you to instantly redeem your stkDYDX. Note that this can be done with 0% fees for the first 2 months. After that, there will be charged a small fee. Regular Unstake will also redeem your stkDYDX, but this will take about 30 days to unstake your assets before you can claim your DYDX. To flash Unstake, enter the amount of stkDYDX you want to unstake and simply click on Flash Unstake. Approve the transaction in your wallet, and that's it. You immediately have DYDX available in your wallet without having to wait out the unbonding period. To regular unstake, follow the same process by entering the amount of stkDYDX you wish to unstake, and confirm by clicking on the Unstake button below. Approve the transaction in your wallet. And there you go. The unbonding of your DYDX tokens has now started and can be tracked in your dashboard. You will see your new stkDYDX balance, and when going to the Unbonding tab, you will see the exact amount of DYDX that is unbonding and how much days there are left before you can claim them. Now to put your stkDYDX to work, you can head over to the DeFi tab and look for the stkDYDX DYDX pool on Dexter. Click on Add Liquidity to go straight to the app. Once there, connect your Cosmos wallet and agree to the terms and conditions in order to proceed. You can find the pool APR on the bottom left of the page and see in detail where the rewards are coming from. In this case, the stkDYDX DYDX pool has been incentivized with 300k pStake to bootstrap stkDYDX liquidity on Dexter. Now scroll to the top of the page and click on Add Liquidity. Enter the amount of DYDX and stkDYDX you want to LP into the pool and click on the Add Liquidity button. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to be confirmed. In order to start earning additional rewards, you need to bond your LP shares. So click on the Bond Shares button and enter the amount of shares you would like to bond. Note that there is a 7 days unbonding period on these LP tokens. Approve the transaction in your wallet once more. Wait for it to confirm, and done. Your stkDYDX tokens will now start generating additional yield on Dexter.